Hello everyone, welcome back to Best 5-1. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best hospital beds. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the LUCID L300 adjustable bed base. If you sleep without difficulty on a day-to-day basis, your frame experience correct hormones with a high-quality impact on fitness. While nursing injuries or ailments, therefore, a Adhese mattress including LUCID L300 will come to your aid. The 12-inch mattress which you get, as an example, is one of a type. It cradles the frame properly. It also smooths stress factors, which protects the back and/or joints from infection and/or accidents. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Drive Medical Competitor Semi-Electric Bed. Most Drive Medical products paintings properly. They also are fashionable and manufactured from fine substances that serve people well for lengthy. If you are looking for a new sanatorium mattress, Drive Medical Competitor meets this threshold. Buy one to get a long-lasting semi-electric bed with receiver brackets that improve its balance. Its installation is a breeze, even as the big hand pendant that it comes with boosts its functionality. You can modify it up and down on demand, as an instance, without fundamental troubles. At number 3, we have the Drive Medical Delta 1000 Full Electric Low Bed. Drive Medical Delta 1000 is a good complete electric powered bed that comes in reachable in houses. If you are looking for a prevalent bed that both children and adults can use, this is one of the excellent in 2018. Its area-efficient layout is admirable. Whether you've got a massive or small room, it will blend nicely with your home. It additionally has a secure design that the general public like. While drowsing or resting, unique human beings like their beds excessive or low. Others need their again or legs raised to maximize aid and/or consolation. At number 2, we have the Foldawheel PW-999UL. Wheelchair 88 is domestic to some of the lightest electric wheelchairs in 2018. Most of its merchandise are also durable and designed to improve the lives of their customers. If you're seeking out one, Foldawheel PW-999UL is presently one of the satisfactory fashions in the market. It has a mild 45 pounds and portable layout that human beings of all cotters like. The excessive ability polymer Li-ion battery that it makes use of is also one of the first rate. It powers it properly on all terrain and surfaces. And finally, at number 1, we have the Easy Lite Cruiser, standard model. Electric wheelchairs have stepped forward how invalids and the aged trip. They are easier to use than maximum traditional wheelchairs. They also are relaxed and possible in lots of exciting designs that meet the desires of most of the people. If you are searching out one for non-public use or for a relative, consider this Easy Lite Cruiser. Weighing simply 50 kilos, it smiles a lightweight tool. This comes in accessible while traveling. You can also fold and save it easily while it isn't always in use. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this hospital beds, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.